Hello, my name is Amar Singh, and for my quantitative research project, I would like to study a UX question for the app called Too Good To Go. It lets users buy discounted surprise bags from stores and restaurants with extra food left over. And I love this app because it's a tech for good kind of company and a type of company that I aspire to work in. The app usually gives a general description of what the bag could include, but the users still don't know exactly what they'll receive. This uncertainty could affect whether the user makes a purchase or not. My research question for this project exactly is if that's showing the images of previous users pickup bags increase users' tendency to buy a surprise bag from a store. Um, I plan on running independent tests for this project. The independent variable in this listing is the listing design. I could compare two versions of the same store. Version A could include, for instance, a normal written description of what the bag could contain, whereas B could include the description as well as the photos and not just like reviews like here. Um, the dependent variable could be the user's tendency to buy the surprise bag. I would measure this with a question like, how likely are you to reserve this surprise bag? And on a scale of 1 to 5, users can rate. And I may also measure confidence by asking how confident the users feel that the bag would meet their expectations. For data collection, I could create two mockups listings with store pricing, ratings, pickup time, description. Everything would stay same except the customer pickup images in the review section. I would recruit about 10-ish participants, 10 to 15 perhaps if possible, and randomly assign half of them to see version A and half version B. This would be a between group design because each participant only sees one version. Since I'm comparing two independent groups with quantitative rating data, an independent sample t-test would likely be appropriate, I think. My null hypothesis is that the customer pickup images do not affect the customer pickup images will report a higher tendency to buy. Um, uh, and this topic is especially important for me because being a product designer and someone who like really aspires to be in techs for good space, this is something that interests me, and the app really relies on users' trust as well. So the study could show whether adding visual examples helps users feel more confident while keeping the surprise bag experience. Thank you.